Back then, my Willies, you could have a song and it could be anything. And then you call it Uncle. Nice. I like it.
I know message that track totally.
But it's no
message that. Asas one moment and I'm
yeah, cool.
But Maulis be pause of it.
No, he was.
Maulis running over the tennis hit songs, one album.
Yeah. Wow. Produced by Mdu. He was another boss.
That bomb by Willie bicycle. That was the Amazonga I tried to buy. Amazonga.
So I said the guy on the freeway was talking.
But don't tell him about the freeway. When you were Tonga, or to Mumtana Kipi, I shall Bella. Mtana chasa imoto. Baba, Baba, you go play more, but look more, but look up, you're look up. Look up here, take a malo, shall a beer man, take a swanyana. Obviously, my tiny comments in English. Look up by more, look at Rockabo. Look, I take a malo, shall a beer most. Lobaba, Ushay, Hamanga Pasquille,
you know how bikers would weave through traffic and weave through cars?
Bikers, yeah.
Bicycle.
Chuck Norris.
Call me one devil. That's Uncle Manator go out and check a little.
Ah, fair.
You're young and take Kulma. Omunye Kuli told me 70. I have 70 Plunac, but I'm 17. Exing on 4. All hang a peskin, what you track. Pam Tolek Porte Palais, Brongo Sprite. One devil. Alega Ruyo. Ipaskili. 4 piece. I'm one special. One but I was costing a yin. Ipaskila mlipi. Instead work azanga figure emsebenzini. Bamthola leka ngathi kwabona intambo zamateki mozinekile so. Bamthola leka kule sanibha le Brongo Sprite elinyinya lime ngapha le Kwandebele. Abantu bamamles bangazi ukuthi bamehlise lana or bamshoot eqala. Bamshoota. Again, uyangibheka nje into engikhuluma yikho ngizokubonisa isithombe saloba.
Oh, isithombe.
Bamsikhosana. Yo, wawa ngebaskile. Yazi truck amanje la uhamba nge-SUV. I-truck edlula uze-SUV ithi. Cabanga ngebicycle. Nganje mbona bamsikhosana ne-brand root yakhe sekayifasela ibhack. Faka ama-packs ayithunga phana ngapha.
All right.
Well, they probably it's been a while since we spent now. Yes, job. But my 4 weeks.
3. That's not healthy.
It's not right, Joe. Like, I mean, last time ngizwa ngaye. Beka se Pitori Rosi apis ngama result. From Lapo asangabuya. From Lapo ngathi ama results ashaye yena personally. Wavuka uvalo baba. Wasemsebenzini Dr. Minga washo admit athi nge right. Hey, nangumuntu onyamalala bo.
It hurts. It hurts. Yeah. What was done to our party hurts. And maybe I'm one of those few people to admit it.
But
it hurts.
Party ilile isiqhwaga ngeke. Yilabo labo bayiqhwaga. Yazi iqhwaga esikolweni mangafika letha ama ball pen. Ile unjalo.
Letha ama ball pen.
Ngingafuna neqhwaga ezithu. Ngiyacocela ngiyadlala ngingafuna neqhwaga ezithu. Iqhwaga is a bully.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ngingafuna nabayi2 uSijijo noHlombo. UHlombo bokulezi la kunomzimba. Ufana nani nolobuntu eRoss. And uSijijo unespam. Cabanga esikolweni. Espam. So, uHlombo vaya ethela uSijijo wathi wena sana. Makabuya lo ucwele ngoma yeOros. Enemokwele ngoma yeOros. Uyakwata lo. Ajori ngizokudubula. Phela sirazwa phela ispam phansi kwedesk so. Ngoba tense eclassini. Because when I decide manje ukuthi ngicwele ngoma kaOros orinyafa. Umnyango mawuvuleka. Kwakena uHlombo ngathi mina oh siyalithanda izele ora. Ngabona ngifaka. Ngabona ngishaka ngife yo. Namhlanje noHlombo sizwana. Since ka 6 besifuna sibadala.
Iqhoka sensitive.
Phela ubaba Madibu makaphuma wathi wonke umuntu ubelana esikolweni. Abanye bayithatha serious yabo. and badala for lento lena man sifuna nabantu abadala Patrick nabombuyi umbuyi umdala umbuyi unokuthi Mr Sisonke Friday Sisonke Friday Stokfela bonke ay like mina yazini
Sisonke Friday.
Sifuna nonyibhuti bathulaka ulathi ngamdala bekathaba ngoba nabo yazi umuntu omdala maseka noboya esifubeni Butu ka 3 noboya esifubeni kule hayi and avula ihembe Pyrote Masilo kusifunda ngabantu ba-Asian abo Galileo sibheka yena intanga zakhe Unoboya mono besifubeni umdala jo and angazi abosisi bakudala bathanda labo khotmana noboya esifubeni why athi mangilena nginokuzihunga ngiyabala nginokubala ngithi 1 2 12 Abang umuntu bakanoboya esifubeni hey that's why abalungu masingama monkey into enjengalezi abantu besifuba nobububu zakhe
But it's the same thing, Scuba, with some guys who like hairy leg girls. What hairy? What?
No abathi hairy bathi ufe yong yini uboya ngesilungu
Fur.
It's fur manje umntana ufe lo bafethu
Stay tuned, my dear Afropolitans. We got plenty of cash to give away.
Yes.
We're celebrating our 19 years in existence on this radio
Ngikubuza
station.
kule nto 19,000 ama family member wethu ane right ukuthi
No, not even your friends.
not even my friends
Not even your
Papa who
exes.
cannot.
not even my exes
Chompo cannot enter.
Anybody who's affiliated with you cannot enter.
Even your enemies, they can't enter.
Mara they are
neighbors
listeners
can enter.
but they are listeners
My neighbors can't enter.
your neighbors can
What
enter
nonsense is that by your neighbors can't enter? What if they relocate?
Right.
so who's asking them questions maseba win ozala what's man like who's responsible for that job ukhalisa umuntu phansi nge-lie detective test
And verify.
so tell Tina why you fana noTibo why you fana noTibo kumtsiba ha usmar wakhe alala
On Fridays, we have the shuffle from the listeners. And it's nice because, you know, they SMS their songs and they tweet their songs, you know. So today we're giving it to you.
Yay!
To me?
Yeah. You pick the shuffle today.
Yay!
Look at him.
Yay!
this thing don't never happen
Oh,
this is a song
Make
Nibe ready.
Make us
No, I knew it.
nibe ready
gosh.
to the power changdlali nani
Nah.
We'll take it back.
That's Gulisa.
It's
We'll
Friday,
get like
please.
300 cramps.
Stress.
yazi Judy Pacho uthanda abantu abaningi kanjani for the mere fact ukuthi animfuni niyamazi njengoba ningamfundi kusho ukuthi niyamazi
Novalo, man.
oh Judy Pacho
Novalo, Joe. With your suggestion, Novalo, serious.
I know we'll rather give it back to the listeners. though.
Yeah, I know.
hayi phela yazi lamalanga rasidlala ingoma zesilungu phela iDA ithathile ye kusho lalela bathatha abomasipala shubile lalana yizwana ngithini brapop shubile labo traffic cop lawo angene ngokuthi bohamba comrade hayi iDA iyeza manje ufuna matric certificate yo laba yabazi laba bakuvala uthi bathi ubani igama lakho uthi nguRuben uzothi hayi man fake i-call ngitadubula yona
Ruben.
Ruben ngicabanga ukuthi uRuben athi aya the hey fuck sana fikile uma imani manje yo yazini ne kuzoba rough kule country uzobona wena yo uthatha yonke into umntana lo yana futhi bekahleli etafuleni na yangichazela denzeke during the week bahle abo Julius bazile esigangeni angazi bafuna ukubonisa abantu ukuthi Alexander njani or uJulius usikhumbulela entabeni angi understand ngale move bro
Esigangeni.
press conference esigangeni umoya uthini Alexander ya rimo nabo advocate Danny Mpofu nabo babhizi angithina ngoba bakhulumi ngathi kuthiwe nakhuluma and niyambona ukuthi siyayisinga ngathi ne way ithe ukuthi ha le moya bebambambe ngapha nangapha Floshi mambo beka mnyathela inyawo ngoba le moya bonga ngoba umuntu akunyathela inyawo ukuthi wakhuluma into wrong bebamphine phansi uJulius lokuthi moya No, sihlangananga nabo. We are not in the same page. Advocate lot was right. We still find that the right. Utshani emva kwabo. Abantu babamba inkunzi emva kwabo. Base Alexander nginemhlolo yethu. Daylight mini kapha. Why would you want to go to Skangeni uthi umatshela kahle uthi asihlangananga. Ukukhumbuza abantu la sibuya khona. Abujulius basibusele emuva. Ngathi 1976 isitulo. Abujulius abasicabangeli. Ngathi siku stay away. Wenzani Skangeni? Nama reporter yaya nawo. Ama microphone endiza. Ama bereta wahlala ngaskeli. Ibereta kaDali Mpofu bese ivala amehlo. And then mbona mdala ngisaboni kahle la. Yeah, remove, ara collider. No. Zwanga ukuthi uthini. Mara lo bhuti wepeni mara kuzakala ngala mntwana. Emva kwakhe bathengisa ama peanuts, lo bathengisayo. Emva kwakhe. What's wrong with Julius? Julius emva kwakhe abantu babamba inkunzi bathengisa. Bayashela kulawo tebile bakuyashela so manje. Tell him, why? Who took the job of saying, "Funa sithola indawo right"? Who did the booking of the place? Who want to book a land now? Funa sibook ya venue, I covered today. Good, Skangeni. Yini ngalabantu laba ye? Why basibusele emuva so? Let to be traumatizing for abanye abantu abahlala iganga nayo imhlobo yethu. Siyazi back to your roots mara why isingisoni no. Abantu bayadlula la elokishini ubona yonke into mama othethe umntwana ube clinic akazi kwenzakalani. Ubheka ukuthi yini le. Uthi le Bathusa abantu Alexander bafaka impahla ezibovu ngathi ama red ants. Abantu bayabaleke Alexander bathi imkhukhu iyahamba. Ukhuluma kanjani kunomoya ngasiJoske River. NgasiJoske River na mara uJulius ngathi abantu uJulius wakatshela no. Kulapho ubona khona ukuthi isikolo sinzima.
We cannot go on a re-elections. These crooks are going to force our people. They are going to coerce them. They are going to intimidate them. Hey, you will see food parcel playing a big role. You will see T-shirt like you have never seen it before. They will even buy people.
Julius R, known as Ketiwa of generations. She has arrogance of ANC. Ketiwa of Capella people.
Mara yini ngalo mntwana ne khona manje babala noise bayihlasela left right and center yilo mntwana liya babala noise nalichele hey why uraselana ngabula 5 million naye ngabuvukile naye babala noise bayihlasela yonke into it's tough ulo mntwana no ezuJulius ne une anger.
Let them continue to be arrogant. It's not paying off. They brought here the druggies, artists who, some of them who suffer from abuse of drugs, and made them faces of campaign. Our people rejected druggies. Those druggies have costed the ANC. One druggie was even saying, seeing the ANC at 43, a druggie was saying, yeah, we want Joburg, your drugs are dangerous. This artist, the way he's so innocent, he took Nyaup and thought 43% means winning.
Who's that?
Well, AKA a sign in the No, one first round. No, Maro, you cheated into the. Angethi mina nomntwana ubhema lento inyawo mara uyena uyophala lento le uJulius elela manje ke abantu uJulius bakhuluma ngento abantu bayihlasela ukhuluma ngama-drugs angithi bukela abantu baya ku-AKA ne-rehab ubheka abantu be-rehab
Queuing.
Kama basayijikile ithi ngiyakuthanda mara kangibe nawo namhlanje khona ubaba sendlini izwa please
Understand my situation.
tell them Judy tell them baby nengomidlalela amakhona ama-brainwood that's why they pussy vodka oh
And when we say vodka, we
hey
talking about
let's
like
just
vodka.
bakuthume mhlawumbe unomkhulu ovakashekile kulogogo bakuthume amabhiya ethu bathi ungawathengi la wathengeleka amakudeni nakusekudeni mawubuya abantu bajulukile awazi kwenza kaleni abantu bajulukile amehla bovu sheshe wabuya man awazi ukuthi bekwenani la mara kunento ezake two tons of fun le ngoma lene ile makhanda bese sukuma la mama bama hips ngodes kuwa mabhiya kuwa that is a nice song Joe. Two tons of fun
Absolutely.
You should have them in. They're lovely girls.
Some young ladies were telling me that lady called Ketiwe from Generation, she went to ladies who were wearing EFF, a duke, saying to them, hey, you made a wrong choice. What are you doing? And then they called her by a real name. So I didn't know who they were talking about. Then I said, who's that? They said, no, that old Ketiwe of Generation. I said, that one, Ketiwe of Capella. Can you have courage to tell people they are wrong by choosing EFF? Such arrogance, even who Ketiwe, they have such arrogance. Ketiwe of Capella. Yep.
Are you?
sinomntwana lona ne uJulius is one guy ongumtshela secret wamtshela secret fanele like you must always be honest khona yilapho how usomngani wami wena usomngani wami wena ngikhumula udakiwe lapha sibakhele ngaphandle ubazwana
No, but no, umlayile la ntombazana.
wakhaphela ole wakhaphela
The drunkard minister retweeted the druggie. The druggie says we've won. The drunkard retweets the druggie. The drunkard doesn't clarify, no man, you are embarrassing us. Remember, the drunkard was the first one to declare a victory in PE because the drunkard said we won more words, therefore we've won. You drunkard didn't see it coming. That's the problem of having ministers who are drunkards.
Yo ezulu niyongena na uyelibona yini izulu uyelibona mntwana ngathi ngiyambona ezulwini makangena uthole Amos wena uBerete waza ngapha konje kamla khobani na ngikhuluma nawe Julius athi sibone kwenzeni ama drunkard abo bana bakhuluma ngabo Papa Paul ndoza bakhuluma khipha le gaba yazi lesini mase bafuna ukubulala khipha le gaba akusiyawa barasibo khipha do
I know who I was talking about. I was talking about me.
No.
How do you know?
No, but drunkard. Retweeting. Hi guys.
Baba buretweeta yonkini bekala no
Uyalwa. Akaretweet upapa uyalwa.
angazi theni la uthi wedlalela mina ngiphethe cigar right now and wena entertainment yami ngathi le hot man man
Nah.
athi manje ngiphethe Cuban cigar wena uyi entertainment yami kusho lo mntwana bekathuthi Bob uyi sound system nawo wonke ama record walo baba Lomuntu akayishweli tangayisho lo baba lo
Umlayile naye.
athi lalela iCuban cigar ngazi lo muntu uthe kuBob angazi mina ubhema mama phama ubaba lolo hold on to ngiphethe iCuban cigar wena uyi sound system ukuvolume ku9 ni happy ngawo ke manje ngayibona ukuthi lempi phelile lela lethi noma ngathini manje uBob ubhema iCuban during the week. During the week.
And he's not celebrating anything.
Bravo. Lady Yamama will shave her grand.
Fantastic. That's nice.
Yes,
That's cool.
last week we Alexandra, and today Proteatla and Soweto. So yeah, I'm trying to so it was Pretoria and then Alexandra, and today doing Proteatla, having fun. Thank you very much for the love and support. Next week, birthday,
It's on. It's on.
Yeah, birthday comedy extravaganza, Tembisa Te Rabasutu Hall. Tickets are paid.